Hi, I'm Emma. I'm a certified Dubsado specialist, and in this series of videos, I want to take you through all the different things that you need to set up in your Dubsado account when you're first starting with Dubsado. So in this video, we're going to talk about connecting your calendar to Dubsado, which is important if you want to use video conferencing. So you can't connect your video conferencing software like Zoom or Google Meet with Dubsado until you've connected your calendar first. So to connect your calendar, it's actually not under settings, it's here under calendar, which is a bit confusing. And then you're going to go to calendar settings here, and you're going to click sync calendar. So you can see that Dubsado is giving you the option to connect the calendar that you're using. So I'm going to click Google. And now, if I go to calendar settings, you can see that it's showing me the available calendars. So you're going to click link calendar at this point. And if that account has multiple calendars under it, you'll see those listed there, and you can choose which ones you want to connect. So with Dubsado, when you're connecting a calendar, you can only connect one calendar account, but that calendar account can have several calendars under it, and those will be listed here. So you can choose which ones you want to link. If you have a personal calendar and a business calendar, you know which ones do you want to take into consideration when people are booking appointments with you. So that's what you need to think about. If you have multiple calendars, which ones you want to connect. So in my case, I have one, everything is pouring into that one calendar. I'm just going to click link calendar. So this is really important. So you want your calendar appointments to come into Dubsado, but do you also want Dubsado appointments to go into your calendar? So in my case, when someone books an appointment with me, I want that to show on my personal calendar. So I do the import and export, but depending on how your appointments are scheduled, or what type of appointments you're scheduling, either or may be applicable to you. So just click save. So now all of my appointments are showing here, so all of my, pick up my kids, make dinner, coaching calls, client things, everything is showing up here. Everything that is from your personal calendar, anything that's being imported into Dubsado will show up as orange. I have a different video where I go through all the different colors that appear in your Dubsado calendar. Different colors mean different things, so you can check that out as well. But this is how you would connect your calendar to Dubsado. And once this is done, then you can go into your settings and integrate your video conferencing, which I'll go over in a separate video.